up, YouTube? Listen, man, if you guys are ready to make some money tomorrow, let me know down in the comments below. If you made some money today, I want to hear all about that as well. Listen, guys, got a jam-packed video. Google had earnings today. We're going to talk all about it and why they are going to hit $200 sooner than people think, okay? Listen, guys, do me a favor. Please make sure you like, subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, diving right in. Check this out. AI demand grows. Alphabet's revenue 15% to 88.3 billion, and that is billion with a B. Check it out, guys. They had earnings on today. Earlier in the week, over the weekend, I told you some key companies that are going to be reporting because this is the Super Bowl for traders this particular week in the market, okay? All the top companies except for Nvidia reports in this particular week. Google was one of those ones on today, okay? We got Meta tomorrow, we got Apple on Thursday. It's just gonna be non-stop, okay? But check this out. Google, parent Alphabet's third quarter revenue grew 15% to 88.3 billion with strong growth in its cloud computing business powered by AI computing demand. The momentum across the company is extraordinary. Our commitment to innovation as well as our long-term focus and investment in AI are paying off, with consumers and partners benefiting from our AI tools, said Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai in a press release. The AI rush helped Google Cloud generate revenues of 11.4 billion. This is with a B, guys, an increase of 34% year over year. The company's profit increased 37% to 2.1 billion. These metrics are the reason for the jump that you've seen in the stock price on the day. Speaking of the stock price, check this out, guys. Google, the ticker symbol on this one is ticker symbol GOOGL, otherwise known as the parent company Alphabet. Listen, they own YouTube. Obviously, you've seen them talking about their cloud, AI, the whole nine, okay? This is a phenomenal report, and it shows that the AI demand is actually catching on. And look, the stock was rewarded, up 5.9% in after hours, or the equivalent of $10, okay? And so listen, guys, in today's video, I want to show you how and why our next step is the $190 to $200 level. 190 obviously has to get hit first. 190 is going to open the door for 200, but I want to walk you through from a technical perspective why this move is about to take place and why you want to take part in it in terms of your money making journey, okay? Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, for today's lesson, we are going to look at the 1 day time frame for this lesson, okay? And check this out. At the close of today was 169.68, but after they reported those phenomenal earnings, they are up $10 at 179.50, okay? But look at this, guys. One thing I want to call your attention to. Remember, I told you I always identify these type of clues they give, okay? That right there is 190. That's where we're coming back to first. That's going to be target number one, okay? But with that being said, look at this pattern it's making. This is called a head and shoulders, an inverse head and shoulders, which also leads to a move up, okay? But on top of that, what coach want to teach you guys today, okay, that was called an inverse head and shoulder. Let me make sure you guys are getting this lingo down. Inverse, and then we call that head and shoulders. That's what this and this is the left shoulder, the head, right shoulder in the inverse. So it's upside down. Usually they make it from the top like this, okay? Boom, boom, and that just means the stock is going to go down. But this is an inverse one, okay? But what coach wants to call your attention to today is, remember the other day, guys, I talked to you guys about thin structure, okay? Let me know if you see the thin structure here. This whole area from here to here, that is called thin structure. Whenever you have that, the stock is going to come right back up to where it came from, and that was 190. So that thin structure just fell. There was no trading sideways. So we are going to get an explosive move on top of this gap up. So we're going to gap up, and then we are going to look to be somewhere here. Now, any moves down here, you guys want to take advantage of a pullback, because that'll be your opportunity to get in, to go higher to our ultimate destination of 200. Okay, this is how I want you guys to see this. This is how I want you guys to take advantage of this, and understanding at some point in time 190 and 200 will be upcoming future targets. Okay, so listen guys, I wanted to share that lesson with you guys. More importantly, about the thin structure. The thin structure just gives us the gateway to climbing right back up where we came from, which was 190. But as I taught you in other lessons, once you go past the high. So if 190 was the high, already off top, we're going to make and set a new high, 195. The market likes nice round numbers, so 195 will guide us to 200. Look and expect that move by year end. Okay, might come before that, but I don't want you guys to ever get overzealous and over anxious in this game. I want you to always have tapered expectations for what's to come, how these things will come. Okay, so do me a favor. If you guys try to take advantage of this, give yourself time in terms of your expiration. You still want to give yourself 4 weeks to 6 weeks out. Okay, if not 1 or 2 months out. Okay, you still want to account for any pullbacks that may take place. You want to do all the things, guys, because that's what it ultimately comes down to in order to consistently be successful in this game. Okay, you can't know information but then apply it blindly. You still have to have strategy, you still have to have a plan, and you still have to have risk management. Okay, because check this out, although Alphabet did good today, they could be a casualty of, say, Meta, or say Apple, or say Microsoft, or say Nvidia. Say one of those companies reports poorly in the future, in days to come, and next week and the week after, and then boom, that could also lead Google down or into weakness. Okay, so again guys, coach just wanted to put that lesson on you guys today to kind of share and show what is our next move we're looking for as it relates to Google. We've had this one since literally $100, and here it is up today at 179, and will soon be making its way to 190, and then ultimately 200 as a year-end target goal, possibly even getting there before the year end. Okay, guys, I want to hear all about how you did today. If you made money today, what moves you made the money with. Okay, did you do calls? Did you do puts? Remember, if you're rocking with Coach, I need you to embrace making money in both directions. Okay, some plays going to go up, some plays are going to go down. Regardless, make sure you're on the right side of the trade, because all of it is opportunity for you guys to make money. Okay, this is a marathon, so take it one day at a time, one play at a time, and I need you to prioritize getting 1% better for me. Okay, do me that favor, guys. Put this Google play, this future play, in your back pocket. Typically after a good earnings beat, you're going to have 3 more days of a run up. So tomorrow, Wednesday, the next day, Thursday and Friday, you're going to have at least 3 more days of positivity before this begins to kind of exhaust itself and then start to come down before it runs up again. Okay, so just understand that, so that you don't have false expectations. Okay, it ain't gonna just stay up forever. If it go right to the number, then it's gonna come back. If it don't go right to the number, it's gonna go up incrementally, play around in the 180s, 182, 184, 185. Then next week, next day might be finally 188, 190, 190. It will give you some things like that, so that you understand that it's taking the scenic route to the ultimate targets of 190, right? Target number 1 down is 190. The first target is always the focal point. Okay, So everybody write 190 as the number one target that you are focused on. And then listen, once it get there, you have to assess what happened, because you might need to see profit and take profit at 190 if it's exhausted getting there. Okay, if the momentum and the volume is declining, you need to see those things, be aware of those things, because 200 might be on the next leg up. Okay, it might not be in the cards on this particular go round. I'm telling you, it's coming regardless. Be patient and make sure you have time on your side. Listen, guys, great job today. Hopefully you all had a great day in the market. Listen, we make videos, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.